Since 7th grade I knew that this was like my only fucking way. Put my heart into these rhythms, put my soul out on that page. All my coaches said that Devin rap is just a silly phase. So I stopped dribbling basketballs and started killing stages. My grades started dropping and I started rolling daily. That marijuana odor was the only thing I knew. Mixed with passion and music, that's truly what has helped me through. Now my back against the wall and I'm asking y'all for help. Without music in my life would be a living hell. Lately I don't even have the funds to make it happen. I've been selling shit for cheap so I can work up on my passion, and it sucks. But I know that if I just keep it up, I'll have enough support from y'all to stand up and walk tough. Some see it as a song, but for me I see it life. And I'm never gonna stop till the day that I die. My open scars, lost hopes, my broken heart. I never thought I'd get this far, but now I'm pulling out this card. Broke God of my lost soul, I gained passion and made art. They told me, Devin, you'll never make it. I never listened, I kept on. Low key, I feel confident, cause we popping off with no honors list. People told me no education means blank stares, but with dedication, I swear to God we'll be celebrating, be high level, destined for greatness. I ain't never gave a damn about what people saying. I just do this cause I got like nothing else. Put the weight up on my shoulders, truly I can show you hell. But I'm never gonna melt cause you ain't felt what I have felt. And if you did, then you would know that there is truly nothing else. I'll just try and try again, I'll never stop and don't pretend. Just need a pen, a pencil, pad, whatever I can use to script. And from there I'll show you everything and anything I am. Just take a look, this is me, I don't got no other plans. Listen.